Yo, what's good, my peoples? It's IllRoller16 bringing you guys another video. This video is going to be a quick video, just some floor mats that I stumbled across online. I came across these on a Google search and then I ordered them off of Amazon. They are floor mats for custom fitted for a Mazda Mx3. They offer for all the different Mazda chassis and a bunch of older cars, which is nice, which is why I ordered them. I currently have universal floor mats in mine, and in my quest to restore or do a resto mod on my cars, I wanted some fitted floor mats. Mazda doesn't carry those anymore, the replacements, unfortunately, so it is what it is. So this is a company called ggbailey. You can check their products out at ggbailey.com. Before I start, this video is sponsored by me, myself, and I purchased these out of curiosity, so I'm kind of like a guinea pig for these floor mats, and no affiliation whatsoever. I did look at a couple other floor mats, such as like 3D Max Spider and WeatherTech and a couple other ones, but a lot of them are cut to fit or they don't make them for the MX3. So again, I went with the easy option, which is ggbailey, supposedly made in the USA or Switzerland, and they supply OEM manufacturers. I bought their entry-level floor mats. I'm here on their website. So I bought the classic floor mats. Let me go over some of the lines that they offer. It ranges from $50 all the way up to $150. They got recycled, rugged, all-weather textile floor mats. All-weather textile floor mats. Design your car mats, which are personalized mats with embroidery and stuff like that. I was looking at those. You can do like embroidered logos or stitching, etc. Premium car mats, which are like the heavy ones. These are 40 ounces. The classic mats, which I got, which are 20 ounces. And the luxury car mats, which might be like a suede or Alcantara type material. And that's pretty much it. So without further ado, let's open these, throw them in the car while we have a little bit of sunlight left, and I'll let you guys know what the fit is like. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. All right, my people, so let me do this quick unboxing here. Hopefully everything's coming through clear. Let me get these things open. All right, doesn't seem too fancy, not too heavy a box. Again, this is a 20-ounce version, the classic. And this is what it looks like. A little weird that it doesn't have like a rubber backing and then one side with carpet, both sides are carpet. The stock OEM ones have a rubber backing, which is kind of weird, to be honest with you. Here's the branding. Here are the clips. I think these go in the carpet and then they hold the floor mats in place. ggbailey, a race mark company. Again, I think on their website it says they're out of Georgia. Quality looks pretty decent. The cut looks pretty good. The embroidery, the upholstery, all the stitch work looks pretty good. That's pretty much it. So let's go outside and throw them in the car, and I'm not sure how to use these clips. I'll figure it out later, but I just want to see the fit. So let's go, my peoples. All right, so these are the current floor mats. Got some videos coming on the rear diffuser. Stay tuned. This is my daily, so these are dirty. As you can see, they don't really fit that well. On the passenger side, it's a little better. They also have the rears. I just started with the fronts. Again, this is just a trial. This is a universal one. Fit pretty decent. Let me swap to the new ones and we'll see what it looks like. All right, so the new floor mats are in. The driver's side fits pretty good and leaves room for the dead pedal when I get one. These are definitely lighter than like your universal ones. Pretty good. Don't really have many options. And then the passenger side has a cutout, pretty decent. And overall, good purchase. All right, my people, so that pretty much wraps it up for this video. Just a quick video with some information on the floor mats in case you're trying to look for some replacements for your older car or the MX3, you can give it a shot. Overall, the quality is pretty decent. I wish they were a little heavier, but the fitment is good. I got to figure out how to use these clips. And yeah, other than that, no complaints, just a simple video. Stay tuned for the videos coming up. I got the rear diffuser installed, what else? Strut bars, front and rear. Should be getting the forged rods for the Turbo MX3, so I'll be putting that together here shortly. And just a lot more content coming your way. I haven't been putting out a lot of videos lately just because I've been doing a lot of maintenance on the car, a lot of like suspension work, tie rods, ball joints, stuff like that. All right. So we're taking this apart. Lower ball joint. Here's the old one. Here's a new one. Which is pretty boring stuff, but if you guys want to check it out, let me know and I'll be sure to record more of the general stuff that I do on the car. Also had some freak accidents that I'll share with you guys later, but I should be shooting some POV videos and be back on track through the end of the year. Make sure to hit the like button. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you've watched this far along in the video, support the channel. Help us grow going into 2022 and the last quarter of 2021. This is Roller 16 checking out. Until next time, salute.